A lot of people wonder what I do for a living. They think I'm some type of retired auto executive or something, and I just do this stuff on the side for fun. But no, I'm actually a handyman. I've been in this business for 20 years. And let me show you exactly how I do it, because a lot of customers don't understand even. I've got my emergency repair vehicle with toolboxes on the side, you can see, and I've got all kinds of toolboxes up here with my hand tools and supplies and screws for all different kinds of things, because you got to be able to be a plumber, an electrician, and a plasterman, furniture repairman. That's where the need is. A lot of people try and figure out, hey, who do I get to do all these little odd jobs? And what we've done is we've created a system and created a half-a-day minimum to where people can come out and fix stuff. As you can see in the back, I still have room where I can put big plumbing parts or drywall or something like that. If I ever need it, I can hang things out. Sort of gets a little bit messy, but I know where everything's at. And this repair vehicle has become a real profitable business, but it also fills a need. People need a handyman out there. And now this whole trick and this whole system I put together with my neighbor Bill back at summer camp for handyman. Yes, there's a summer camp for handyman. And we really are having a great time doing this and fixing up the city of Detroit and the outlying areas. So keep this system in mind. If any of you guys want to join in the Army, you let us know. Get a hold of me at my website, doityourselfer.com, and we'll sign you up for that handyman summer camp. For the News Beat Saturday, stay alive and keep cooking. I'm Dale Cranston.